Hello, all. My name is Myron Carroll, and I'm here talking about my Project 1 for SDI class. The problems that I encountered with this project seem to be mostly with wanting or figuring out what I wanted to do my code about. I had several different ideas, but I didn't really have an idea of how to make them work. So I finally settled on one, which actually wound up being an interaction with a subscription music service and then downloading music in the process. So I think that went pretty smooth once I got that. Things that I discovered were easier than I thought. Once I actually found out what I wanted to put into the project, I think everything went pretty smoothly. I think the code was kind of self explanatory, and it was just putting little things in there to make it kind of personal, I guess, that took up a little bit more time. This activity fits with things that I've previously learned. I am an audio engineer and a recording engineer. I do a lot of troubleshooting in those processes, making sure things are plugged up, making sure everything's turned on, making sure signals passing, and all that goodness. So this kind of builds on that, and it kind of fits in because in this you have to be correct with your syntax. You have to have your pluses and semicolons and commas and colons and everything in the right place. There are a lot of little things that can trip you up. And this is just building upon me being used to doing that in other areas, basically in the physical realm, as opposed to in text on a keyboard or on a screen, on a computer screen. I think the lessons learned here will just continue to help me to be meticulous as far as my implementation of code and making sure that everything that I do is correct and everything that I do fits. And I think that's pretty invaluable. I think that's pretty important. And it's going to help me to think like a coder as opposed to thinking like anything else. Once again, this is Myron Carroll, and I was talking about Project 1 for SDI class. Thank you for watching.